Okay, quick tutorial on how to set up the spectroscopy kit for EK210. Take this box, open it up, and if you haven't already uploaded the software, now's the time to do it. You can do that relatively quickly. Look in the bag, and in the bag there'll be a USB stick. Take that stick and put it into your computer. If you need a USB to USB-C adapter, it's in the bag. With the USB stick in your computer, you should see the no name file. Open it up. Now, if there's different instructions on whether you have a Mac or a PC. If you have a Mac, take the RSpec app and drag it to your desktop, and also take the rspecmac.txt file and drag that to your desktop. If you have a PC, all you need to do is drag the setup.exe key to your desktop. You can also drag the RSpec Explorer key.txt to your desktop, but you won't need it for a PC. You'll get 30-day free license. Now open up the RSpec app and you'll have a screen asking you to watch the videos. Close that. And now you have something on the Mac that says apply the license key. So apply the license key and get the license from the desktop where you have just saved that text file. And now you have a valid key and your RSpec is licensed. Close that up, and now the program closes. That's all there is to it. Next, we go back into the bag and take out the silver, into the box, and take out the silver bag and take the device out of the silver bag. Again, there's a USB connector, and you can use the adapter if you need to. Plug that into your computer. Mount the camera on the tripod. Screw the threads of the tripod into the bottom of the camera, and then use the knurled knob to tighten. Take out of the box the LED holder plastic unit, the Arduino, and the battery. The LED holder and the Arduino should already be connected. The battery plugs into the Arduino, and when you do so, the light should go on. Take out the clip and the black paper from your box. The paper is probably curled. Try to flatten it out. Then attach the paper to the stand using the clip. There's a little notch that should go over the foot of the stand. The paper should extend to the right. When you're all done, it should look like this. Some green light should be coming out through the slit in the black paper. Now, position the camera so that it is about 4 inches away from the paper and 8 inches to the side of the green dot. Now let's open up the RSpec application. And if everything is hooked up well, the camera should start automatically. If it doesn't, there's a box down here that you can start the camera. You'll notice there's an image with a lot of rainbow colors on it. That's the camera. There's a plot on the right, which we'll describe in a minute. And then there's a little spectrum at the bottom. on the image, the camera image, you want to now move your camera so that you can see the bright LED light and slit just about on the left side of the image. So you see that right there. I've got that on the left side of the image. To the right, you see the diffraction pattern. This happens to be green now, so the strongest diffraction pattern is the green. There are two orange lines. Our job is to get the two orange lines to be above and below the diffraction pattern spot, but not to have much else between those lines, so not to have other things between those lines. The way to move the lines is if you're inside between the two lines and you click and drag, the two lines will move together. If you're above the top line and click and drag, it will move the top line down. And if you're below the bottom line and move up, it will move the bottom line up. So that's about how I would like to see it set up. And now the horizontal axis is in nanometers, and the vertical axis is an integration of the light at any given X position. What I want to do now is I want to rotate the tripod so that the peak corresponding to the bright green light lines up with the white line. That's how they orient their axes. So now the peak is on the white line, and now this peak over here is at 498, which is about green. So the green spot is now corresponding to this peak. If you take the screwdriver that is in the kit and you turn one of the three potentiometers on the box, then other lights light up. There's the blue going on and the red. And as I turn the blue and the red on, now blue, green, and red are on, you can see the three diffraction peaks, and then you can see that the light turns white. That's about it.